Hey again, everybody. It's Sam Jackson with Heartland Turf and Landscape. So we've come to the time of year that temperatures are starting to warm up a little bit. Your lawn's starting to wake up, and if you haven't already done it, you're probably thinking it's time to mow the lawn for the first time of the year. Which, by the way, if your neighbor's lawn greened up a few weeks earlier than your lawn did, don't worry. Most likely, your neighbor's got more bluegrass in their lawn, which generally comes out of dormancy 2 to 3 weeks sooner than tall fescue lawns do. So but anyway, the what I was thinking is we're probably also wondering, for those of us who have irrigation systems, is it time to start watering the lawn? And if so, how much? So really, from now until about mid-June, you really shouldn't need to water the lawn unless we're kind of getting below average rainfall. Our area generally receives, on average, plenty of rain to give the lawn all the water it needs through about mid-June. And actually, if you're watering the lawn too much, you might be causing problems in the fact that your lawn likes to fully drain between each watering. So ideally, you want to water deeply into the soil with each watering, 6 to 8 inches down at least, but you also want that soil to also drain out as much as possible between waterings. If you're watering on a more frequent basis and the lawn is holding more water just on a consistent basis, then the oxygen's not able to get down into the roots of the system, so you'll suffocate the roots to a certain extent. And not only that, but you are not promoting a deeper root growth from your lawn, which establishes a healthier root system, which helps it stay healthier through the hot, dry summer months, so we can get that moisture that's further down in the soil. So anyway, main point is, the tip is here, don't worry about watering until about early to mid-June, and you're going to do two things. You're going to help create a healthier lawn, and you're going to save yourself some money on a water bill. That's it. Thanks.